Can you imagine a situation where South India becomes a separate nation like Pakistan? Well, there were high possibilities for that, but one man saved us from that disaster. Hyderabad was the largest of the princely states, which included current parts of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. But its ruler Nizam Osman Ali Khan was not ready to join with India. Letting Hyderabad to be an independent state was geographically not possible. Not only it takes away a huge part of the country, but it also separates the north from the south, which will eventually lead to losing the southern parts of the nation completely. Knowing this, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel said an independent Hyderabad would be a cancer in the belly of India. But the then Prime Minister Nehru was not ready to take military actions as he believed in peace and non-violence. So when Nehru was on a Europe trip, Patel as an acting Prime Minister ordered the Indian army to take control of Hyderabad, and it took just 4 days for them. This is called Operation Polo, and today marks the 75th anniversary of this iconic operation.